My name is Stoffel Drinkwaard. I'm Managing Director of Finance and Business Operations, and I'm working for Allison Transmission since 1985. I'm working for Allison for over 3 decades, almost 4 decades. That's mainly because of the product. I really want to work for a company that is producing a product that is adding value to customers and society. And I also want to work for a company that is producing a Class A premium product. And Allison is the type of company that is producing, let's say, premium products. That is really important to me. And at the moment you have a premium product, then you also expect a premium, let's say, Class A organization and processes and people. And I think that is the unique combination at Allison where all these things are coming together. You have an excellent product, an excellent organization, and highly motivated and dedicated people. And the combination of these things makes Allison, for me, a unique company, and that's why I work for this company almost 40 years. What makes me proud to work for Allison, there are a few things. I'm not an engineer. My history at Allison is in finance and human resources. So what makes me proud when I think of Allison, that is mainly the people. And that's also, let's say, in Europe, what we add to the value of the product. The product is not produced here, but what we add is the people. And the people that work for this company are highly motivated, dedicated, loyal to this company, and that makes me proud. And I really believe that people can make the difference. And Allison creates an environment where people can excel and can make a difference. And that makes me really proud.